I'm crying.
Somebody should be coming to you then, Jay Sean, bro. You
I know somebody was chasing me, but let's see. There they go.
Put down the boat. How's it? Down one. Down two.
good shit. Good shit. I'm finna go up. I'm going up there.
Oh shit, he on my ass.
He running. Run outside. He running, bro. He running. Blame his ass.
Yeah, he jumped in water.
Your squad mate survived.
He's running.
Contract complete.
That motherfucker was running. Big boy running.
Oh shit, he got hit.
Over here.
Where?
He on my body.
Do you kill him?
I got you. I got him.
Your squad mate's back on station.
I couldn't see him.
Work.
Somebody on me. He just went past me. Kevin Durant, I think. Somebody on me. Be careful, Jay Sean. Somebody fucking over there.
Yeah, he over there.
Yeah, somebody just fucking swam past my ass, bro.
Bro, I don't think they should make the fucking water that goddamn foggy.
Oh, I couldn't see shit. Hey, let's go buy a loadout. Fuck that. Let's go.
Yeah, my optic just different. Down him, cause he's a fucking bot.
That boy down. Put him down.
Good
Put him
shit.
down.
Your team made it to the safe zone.
Drop bread so I can go grab Lodi.
Give that boy money.
Drop bread so I can go grab Lodi. It's
There you
King.
go. Come on.
What's good?
I'm going with you.
Yeah. Oh, you going to the water?
Ammunition box. at the
Damn, let
bottom
me
of
up the
wall.
ladder.
I don't even climb them ladders no more. Them bitches.
That's
shit.
crazy.
No money at the bottom, baby, man. Need to go get that team over there with that ho.
I'm definitely on their bumper. Oh shit,
What kind of
he
boss?
sniping.
His team ain't with him yet. They at the other building unless they got ghost.
Somebody sniping in
Yeah.
the water. Okay.
I'm pushing up to him.
Right here, he broke in there.
The enemy lost track of you. You're safe.
What type of shit is that?
They up top. Okay.
Breach the enemy's network.
The dude up here.
Locate their uplink stations and download their intel before they lock us out.
I got one. He's up here body like the realest.
The other one over here. There's two teams over there. They was looking at a whole different team.
Over where?
Over this way.
Somebody up the hill too. Up the hill. Hey, watch it.
Kind of UAV up. They can't see shit.
Yeah, but these motherfuckers over there, man.
They go run away. I put an airstrike down.
Push it up.
Hey, right here. He broke. Downed him.
Hey, you just down somebody and I'm pushing up on this team. You just down.
Dude, stay up there by you.
Yeah, I know. He right here.
Let's get him. Let's get him.
I'm coming to help you.
See him.
Where the other one?
Fuck they go.
He's over here from us. Back there.
I gotta go help Cam.
Yeah.
Alright, you good? Good.
You gonna try to get
Yeah, he
Boyer
down.
right here. Yeah.
He ran, and there's one right here at gas.
Precision on me.
One was floating in the air. Oh, right here. He down, he down, he down, he down.
One over there, one over there, one over there.
Hostile UAV active. Move to the safe zone.
Oh, 30, yeah.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
One landing back in over here though.
What up, hood?
Oh, okay. What up? What
There's two
up?
I mean, loadouts over here. Oh, shit, somebody looking.
I'm
There's two
coming.
loadouts over here.
Broke him. Broke him. Broke him.
Shit. He running for his life.
Y'all get any pings?
If you broke and I'm chasing you, you not fucking surviving.
Oh,
I don't care
God.
how quick you shoot.
Hey,
But
smoked
you
over here, Cam.
I'm on my way. I need those.
Their network. It's over.
I'm gonna go buy UAV.
Appreciate that. Hey, Danny, appreciate that follow.
I'm almost pretty sure that's my gas mask you said, but I'm gonna go buy with that.
What? Your gas? I just took your gas mask?
Yeah, but I got one. Let's not say
What type of teammate are you, Cam? Jeez.
My bad. I didn't know. I'm sorry, man.
Oh, you fucking
Shout
know.
out to the 3-3 in the chat, y'all. I didn't know it was his.
He did.
Contract here.
You jumped right in front of me, you bastard. Cam known for jumping in front of people.
We really should be getting in the middle, getting here.
Come on,
Or the
come on, come on,
hotels.
come on.
Which one y'all want to get? Hotels are there. Which one?
Oh shit, they look.
I like the hotels myself.
I like hotels
I
too.
jump. Parachute.
One's under us.
Don't go to that building. Don't go to that building. Do not go to that building. It's going down unless you want to fight. We can go there and fight. I want to.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck it, let's go. We've been catching W dubs. Come on. Let's get in there.
Oh shit, y'all at that
Come
building?
on, y'all. We've been catching W dubs. Come on, y'all.
UAV in the sector. Friendly UAV on station.
We here with it.
Soldier incoming.
We here with it.
Move back now. I need help. Somebody
Hey,
pay
you
me,
just remember when they used to fucking have sell the fucking smokes and shit in the buy station, bro?
Yeah.
That motherfucker smoked the fuck out. You good?
Yeah. So low down right there outside that door. So you gotta
Motherfucker just landed right on me.
I need some plates.
Buy some, buddy.
What I'm doing.
UAV is orbiting the area. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
What y'all think, chat?
Here come another W chat. Let's get it.
What y'all think, chat? It's another W-dub. Start moving.
They might be pushing me. Ay caramba.
Insurgents no longer active.
Die.
This is for keeps.
And Daddy here. He's right here.
Load up.
They coming towards y'all.
Damn.
How did he get me? How? He right on my body. Y'all look at me.
I
Look at me
am.
at this door.
I shot down the dude.
Drop me. I want to see how the fuck he dropped me though, bro.
Dudes, I gotta come your way.
I got no money, buy me back. Shit.
Hold on.
He getting his boy up
Dudes,
too.
dude.
Fuck.
I down both of them.
Oh,
No, he
yeah,
wouldn't. I down both of them. Unless he's self.
Down below.
Hey, go up there by the box station so you can help me. I'll try to buy me back.
I am.
Pretty please. 'Cause you know me, I'm gonna land on my shit. Appreciate you. I think I was breaded up. Dude, behind you too. Another come
I'll
behind
be
you
back
too.
if
I'll
I
try.
can.
Right here, right here, right here, right here. No.
Don't get the dog out. Go get it back.
All good.
I'm gonna quit putting bullets in it.
That's Ham got enough.
Hey, it's another stack of money in that corner. Oh shit, ECU.